Bring freshness, color, and flavor to your table with this beautifully crafted pasta salad. This classic cold pasta salad is not only delicious, but it brings on those fond memories of family gatherings, picnics, and summertime potlucks. This is the kind of side dish that tastes even better the next day using up those leftovers, but you're most likely not going to have any. With a few fresh veggies, a tangy dressing, and a pasta shape that holds onto the sauce, it's my go-to quick and easy dish for any occasion. Hi, I'm Minnie from This and That Minis. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Put a medium to large pot of water on to boil and add some salt and half a teaspoon of oil to that. Once that comes to a boil, you'll need a 16-ounce box of pasta of your choice. I'm using shells here. And while that's boiling, we'll slice up 1/2 of a medium red onion. Place those in a small bowl. Slice half a green pepper. Take out those seeds and membrane. If you'd like, you can use a color of each: red, orange, yellow, and green of the baby peppers. Add those right to the same bowl as the onions. Slice 1 stalk of celery. Next, slice up 2 hard-boiled eggs. In a larger bowl, place 1 cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of mustard, 1 teaspoon of salt, black pepper to taste, one teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, and a shot of white vinegar, or about 1 ounce. And now mix that until it's well incorporated. Drain and rinse your pasta in cold water and add to the bowl. Stir well. Add the veggie bowl to the pasta bowl. Add a half a cup of frozen peas here. There's no need to thaw these out first. Cube up the cheese of your choice. I've got Velveeta here, but you use whatever you like and however much you like. And add that right to the bowl. Let's dig in.
Mmm.